Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 65 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل قاف is heavy for the muscle curly lips attached with lam lam will get sifa of the wasat قل who for the muscle curly lips the sound is short well makhraj of paw is circling your lips fatha upon jaws attached with lam lam will get sifa of the wasat qaf is heavy because of this qaf is this alif is heavy too when this alif is with a light letter it will be light but when it is with heavy letter it will be heavy too qa make it two counts long and make qaf nicely heavy. Qadi. For kasra give E sound. Oru. Ra is heavy. For the muscle lips the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws. La. This is mad. Munfasil jais. So make it 4 or 5 counts long. Ay. This is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yabe. Yeah, keep ya light and ba light too. And give qalqala on ba. Very nice qalqala. Yabe. Ain from your throat for patha open jaws. Tha for patha open jaws the sound is short. Ain from your throat for patha open jaws the sound is short. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft. Kum for the muscle lips attach with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut, hikmuhu idhar. And as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, but it should not be stretched behind. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. The keep your tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth nicely. That will bring dab in dal. That should be there. The two counts long. Bam. Idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Bam. Mia. This is ikhfa and this ikhfa is light. Mia. And your mouth should be ready to pronounce fa. You're keeping the sound in your nose and you're hiding the sound of noon from with your mouth. Mia fau. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws attached to wow. This wow is lean, so make it soft. Qi. Qaf is heavy. For kasra give e sound. Kum for the muscle lips attached with me. We will get sip off the wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Ow, wow lean, so make it soft. Hamza is the shidda letter. There is no flow of sound, but as you will touch fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Ow, nia. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep the sound in your nose, and you're hiding the sound of noon, and your mouth should be ready to pronounce ta. Like your tongue should be very, very close to the makhraj of ta when you're saying ikhfa. Mia, mia, tah. Ta is sharp of a top and jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sipa off. Rakhawa, and it is from your throat. Tahti. For kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa off. Tawassut and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. You for the muscle lips. Li for kasra give e sound. Kum for the muscle lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu izhar. Ow. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws attach it. Wow, wow. This wow is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow here. This is the place where you are applying softness. Ow, yell. For fatha open jaws attach it. Lam, lam will get sip off the wasut. B for kasra B. Give E sound, the sound is short. Sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the muscle lips attach it. Me will get sip off the wasut. She for kasra gives E sound. Yeah for fatha open jaws. The sound is short and soft and light. Sorry, light. She yeah. Ain don't forget ayn when you are going towards ikhfa. So make sure the ayn should be from your throat, and then you, sorry, it is not ikhfa, this is idgham. Idgham. So make sure when you are giving idgham here, you are not forgetting the sound of ayn. Aw. And you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is idgham with gunna. مخرج الواو. Circling your lips, but open jaws. Yeah, is light for the circle lips. The sound is short. Give the ba in dal. Make it two counts long. Qaf is heavy for the open jaws. The sound is short. Ba. Keep ba light and ain from your throat. And ba is light and ain is light too. Ba. Ba. God is heavy for top and just the sound is short. Kum. إخفاء شفوي, keep the sound in your nose. B for fatha open jaws attached with Hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound. S for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ba. Ba is light, Ain is light, Ain will get sip of the wasut, and as you will touch Dod will be heavy, it will get istatala and it has rakhawa. So make sure you give all these sifat here. Ba, ba, how we determine that there is dhamma on Hamzatul Wasl by counting our third letter. One, Hamza is one, Noon is second, and Dha is third. When you find a third letter with dhamma, you are giving dhamma on your Hamzatul Wasl. Otherwise, give kasra. Here there is dhamma on third letter, so we are giving dhamma on Hamzatul Wasl. And then Hamza will be sharp, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy because dha is among heavy letter. Wur. Dha is for dhamma, circle lips make dha heavy and attach it to ra. Ra will get sifa up the wasut, and ra will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Wur. K, keep light, and it is lean, so make it soft. K, fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. Nu for the circle lips. Sar, I'm sorry, ra will be light. Sardi, sardi. Sad is light. Attach it ra, and ra will get sifa afterwards. It's صري ري full for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. Two counts long. Yeah, two counts long, make it light. T for kasra, give E sound. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat attached with lam will get the wasut. Al, ain should be nicely done. Al, hum for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of the wasut. F for fatha open jaws attached with fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. F of is nice, make it nicely heavy. Hoon. Because of this rock, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukun. قل هو القادر على أن يبعث عليكم عذابا من فوقكم عذابا من فوقكم أو من تحت أرجلكم أو يلبسكم شيعا ويذيق بعضكم بأس بعض. انظر كيف نصرف الآيات لعلهم يفقهون. ومخرج الواو circling your lips فتحة open jaws كذ for فتحة keep calf light and attach ذال ذال gets a of رخوة and it has the sound كذ كذ فتحة the sound is short ب for فتحة open jaws B for كسرة give E sound he two counts long قاو make قاف nicely heavy and this wow is lean so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow قوم for the circle lips ka kaf is light for fatha open jaws the sound is short wa مخرج wow circling your lips fatha open jaws who for the circle lips the sound is short well مخرج wow circling your lips for fatha open jaws attach with lam will get sip up the wasut حق ha from your throat with hams for fatha open jaws attached cough. First cough will get sif of shidda. There will be cut off a sound and then the second cough will have qalqala with heaviness. Haqqa. Haqqa. Ul. Cough is heavy for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Less. For fatha open jaws attached sin. Sin will get sip of rakhawa and it has safir and it is light. Two for the circle lips. Ain from your throat. Papata open jaws. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft. Kum. Ikhfar shafawi. Keep the sound in your nose. B. Focus ragib E sound. Uwa. Makhraj of wow. Circling your lips. Papata open jaws. Keel. This is because of this verb. You are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is مد عارض للسكون. وكذب به قومك وهو الحق قل لست عليكم بوكيل لي focus ragib E sound كل for Dhamma circle lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position but don't stretch behind. Li for kasra give E sound. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Ba for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Im. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mus for the circle lips attached with sin. As you will touch sin, your lips should be in a straight position. Sin will get sifa of raqawa and it has safir and it is light. Musta. Ta is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Qaw. Whenever you are giving sukoon on a shidda, this shidda will be there. It will not be removed and it will be stopped with nabar. So why we are placing nabar here? Because we wanted to show both raws. If we will stop in a normal sound without giving nabar, then the other raw will be dropped. So make sure you are giving you are pronouncing both raws with nabar and yes, with shidda. Mustaqar. Mustaqar. And ra will be heavy too because there is fatha before it. ومخرج الواو circling your lips فتح open jaw. So the wow lean, make it soft. Give hums in fa فتح open jaws. Ta is sharp فتح open jaws attached with ain. Ain will be from your throat. Ta with the tawassut, but the tawassut should not touch the boundary of rakhawa. La فتح open jaws. Moon. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukoon. لكل نبأ مستقر وسوف تعلمون. And make sure when you are stretching, you are not keeping the long vowel into your nose. هو مخرج الواو circling your lips فتح open jaws. E for kasra give E sound. The give the bind dal, make it two counts long. Ra is heavy whenever it is with fatha or dhamma. It is heavy here. It is heavy. I Hamza is sharp, but as you will you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are applying softness because this is ya lean, so make it soft. I tell. For fatha open jaws attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. Fatha is short. The gives up the bind zal. Make it 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws. Ya. Ya is light. For fatha open jaws. Hu. Kha is from your throat. And with infitah. Hu. Boo, God is heavy for the master colors, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Fee, give hams in fa and make it 4 counts long. This is mad, mad munfasil jaiz. And you can make it 4 or 5 counts long. Fee, 2 counts long. Yeah, 2 counts long. Keep ya light. T for kasra give E sound and give sharpness. Na 2 counts long. F give hams in fa. For fatha the sound is short. Hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached to ain. Ain will get sifa up tawassut and ain should be from your throat. Ah, keep raw light for kasra give E sound attached to dot. Dot will be heavy and it will get rakhawa and istitala. Rib. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hum for the circle lips attached. Meen will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hatta ha from your throat with hums for fatha upon jaws attached. Ta will get sifa of shidda. There is a cut of sound. Hatta ta 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya light for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Kha is heavy and in munfatiha sound. Khu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Bu dot is heavy, make it 2 counts long. And for the circle lips, fi give hums in fa, make it 2 counts long. Ha give hums in ha for fatha upon jaws. Ha should be from your throat. Ha dal is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Tin صفة يستبسط عن حكمه إظهار غي make a غين منفتحة sound and it should be heavy غي and yailin so make it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. This is the place you are applying softness. Ri keep raw light because there is kasra before on it and ha will get sifa of rukhawa and make sure you keep ha light. Ri wa makhraj of wow. Circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Im Hamza is very sharp. Focus give E sound attached. It mim you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Ya keep ya light. And for dhamma circle lips, this ikhfa is coming up. This ikhfa is light because seen is among light letter. Ya si. Focus give E sound. And keep ya light for fatha upon jaws attach it. Noon will get spout kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha the sound is short. Kash keep ka light for fatha upon jaws attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa and tafashi, but your lips should be in a normal position. It should not change their position at all. Kashay the ya is yailin, so make it soft. Shay to should have a nice itbaq and it should be nicely heavy and make it 2 counts long. No for the circle lips the sound is short. Fa give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Ta keep ta light for fatha upon jaws attach it. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and qaf is a nice heavy letter. Ta ud ain from your throat for dhamma circle lips attach it. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala should be done very nicely without any like um, flow in it. عود عود ba is light for fatha upon jaws attached with ain will get sifa of tawassut. Ain should be from your throat. Dal for fatha upon jaws attached with dal will get sifa of rakhawa and it will be bring in the zabzaba sound. Ba dal dik Dik for kasra, give E sound and then attach it kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Dik, ra is heavy, and make it two counts long, heavy because there is fatha on it. Ra, na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, attach it lam, now you get sifa tawassut. Qawq, make qaf nicely heavy, and this is waw lean, so make it soft. Niyawu for kasra, give E sound, attach it dha will get sifa of rakhawa. Dha, two counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Meen. Makhraj of waw is when you are not touching your middle part of your tongue, the palate. You are not touching the palate, so keep distance between tongue and the palate. So when you are stretching it, keep the distance there. It should not be very close. ظالمين. When you are giving waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long into four. This is mad arid lis sukoon. وَإِذَا رَأَيْتَ الَّذِينَ يَخُوضُونَ فِي آيَاتِنَا فأعرض عنهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره وإما ينسينك الشيطان فلا تقعد بعد الذكرى مع القوم الظالمين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.